See, when we look at expectation, you can't cheat the law of expectation. If you believe negatively, negative will come out of your life. You can't cheat the law of expectation. If you believe negatively, negative will come out of your life. So as we have declared, as the apostle has declared, that this is the year of supernatural encounter with God in all areas of life, all you have to do is say, I'm running with that word. I expect that word to come to pass in my life. You know, when we look at Jesus in Nazareth, I ministered about this during the pastor's appreciation, that the same Jesus could not perform anything in Nazareth. But when Jesus moved away from Nazareth, there was a change. Why? Their perception determined their reception. You see, when this word comes forth, then we say, oh, it is the year of the God doing the supernatural in your life. Sometimes we look at what we have been through the past years and we say, can God really work the supernatural in my life? The last year, 2025, I went through hell. But no, you need to say in 2026, I'm running with this word. I expect God to do something supernatural in my life. I expect God to do something supernatural with my kids. I expect God to do something supernatural in my business. I expect God to do something supernatural in my spiritual life. You've got to run with that word. Can you say, I'm running with the word? I'm running with the word. Amen. Supernatural. It's the supernatural.